If you're having trouble installing Call of Duty Warzone on the Xbox app or Microsoft Store on your PC, you're not alone. In this video, I'll walk you through 6 simple steps to fix the issue and get the game installed. Let's get started. Step 1, run Gaming Services Repair. Tool 1, open the Xbox app. Click on your profile icon and go to Support. 3, select Gaming Services Repair tool and click Start Repairing. Alternatively, you can download the tool directly from Microsoft's website and run it. Step 2, log out and log back. In 1, make sure you're using the same Microsoft account on both the Xbox app and Microsoft Store. 2, log out and log back in. 3, check that your date, time zone, and region settings are correct. Step 3, use PowerShell commands. 1, open PowerShell as administrator. 2, run this command to re-register app packages. 3, then run this command to uninstall and reinstall gaming services. 4, run the commands shown. 5, restart your PC and try installing again. Step 4, clear Microsoft Store cache. 1, go to this folder on your PC as shown on screen. 2, delete the local cache folder. 3, run WSR reset from the start menu to reset the Microsoft Store. Step 5, repair or reset the Xbox app. Chat Microsoft Store. 1, search for Xbox app or Microsoft Store in the start menu. 2, right-click, choose app settings. 3, click repair. 4, if that doesn't work, click reset. Step 6, change installation drive. 1, try installing the game on your C drive instead of another drive. 2, you can change the installation location in the Xbox app or Microsoft Store settings.